Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous October sub box from Simply Gilded. The theme of the month is Divine, and as always I receive my box early as I do customer service for the box, and I received mine before regular subscribers so that I can share it with you guys. But if you're already subscribed, you will receive a shipment confirmation by the end of the month, and if you're not subscribed and you would like to, please go to simplygilded.com to get your box. Now, as I mentioned, the theme of the month is Divine, and it's a very gorgeous, like, it has this earth tones, kind of like a grounding kind of feeling and energy. And here in the middle there is this beautiful wreath, stylized wreath. In the center there is a crystal, and then beautiful flowers, little stars all around it. And right here at the bottom there is a symbol for women. And so Irene was kind of saying that she wanted to tap into the divine feminine, which is just basically the female energy that, you know, we all have, men and women, female and masculine kind of type of energy. So the female energy is all about, nurturing and community and sharing, etc. So in the back, you'll see there's a darker tone, which is like a dark grayish brown, I would define it. And then there's these beautiful herbs. I love how they are. There's flowers, the little herbs, and then little juniper right there in the bottom. And of course, as always, it says Divine, and then the volume 36. Now, I'll be sharing everything that's in here, but not the mystery items, so that I don't ruin anybody's surprise. And I would definitely keep this box because I'm planning to cut this baby out and to use it as some sort of dashboard or for something. So if you receive it, please don't throw it away because definitely gonna need it. Now, in every box you receive a menu card, which lists all the items that are included. And in this month we have a full journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, vellum and foil sticky notes, B6 stitch binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, vegan leather pouch, acetate and vellum sheets, vinyl die cut stickers, sakura microperm pen, and the mystery item. And then there's again here the beautiful design of the little crystal in the back. Now, the first thing I want to share, I guess I will start with the vellum and acetate because they are absolutely stunning. So this is the vellum, which is this dark gray brown with this stunning print, which is in again in the yellow gold. We have the moon in the middle, we have the symbols of the zodiac, and then we have the moon phases. It's just gorgeous. I mean, it's such a rich and gorgeous, like, I love the background, how the yellow gold then just kind of pops, and it's beautiful. And then you can also layer it with the acetate. I'm sorry, now you're gonna see. Well, let's look at let's look this way, it's better. But here is the acetate, which has all the planets. So we have all the constellations. We have Cancer, Capricorn, Sagittarius, etc. So it's beautiful layered. I just love them together. So you can use these to make cards. You can make dashboards with them, which is what I use them for, or anything you want, bookmarks, etc. Then the next thing is the B6 stitched notebook, and this has got little dots. The paper is a nice, soft, smooth paper. In the back it says Dream. It has 2 butterflies, and Irene would say you could use this as a dream journal, which is an excellent idea. I actually never thought about that, and I just think it's stunning. And again, if not, you can just use it to jot down notes, to do some journaling, a bullet journal, whatever you want. And then how cute is this? This is the little journaling card, which is a dark, like a deep blue background with a little oval in the middle with a little heart. And then we have juniper little ears poking in the background. And then these flowers or little branches, a little bow, and it's just adorable. And then before I get to the stickers, I want to share something different that Irene included this month. And everything comes packaged, by the way, in a beautiful, it's beautifully packaged. I removed the packaging because I don't want to, bother you guys with the plastic sounds. But this is the little backing of the packaging. And how gorgeous is this? So you can totally cut that out. And then we have these vinyl deluxe die cut stickers. So we have this little bunny and the moon, adorable. And then we have a couple of butterflies, this one, and then a darker color. And, And then we have this beautiful little kitty cat with a little moon on the top of his forehead. And then this beautiful crystal. And then we have another thing that is new that Irene is trying this month, which is the sticky notes that are vellum. So they're vellum sticky notes, and they have the gorgeous engraving, this print was rolled in a yellow gold, which a little wreath around it. It is just beautiful. And if you're worried about how to write on them, you're gonna get the Sakura, micro perm pen, which writes beautifully on it. So you are all set, and you don't have to worry about it. This is also excellent to write on stickers. So you can write on the stickers without problem. Well, now that we're talking about pen, let's talk about the gorgeous gel pen that it's included every month. Let me open it up in the box. And this month we have the yellow, the yellow gold pen with this kind of like I'm trying to think of the word now. It's got this beautiful little sparkles on the barrel, and you have the beautiful butterflies and all around it. So it's just a very classic, very beautiful design, very soft, very sweet. I just love it. It's just one of my favorite pens. And then we get to the stickers. And here we are. We get, as always, a ton of stickers. We get the deluxe stickers, which is a set of 3, and they're all made in this butter soft kind of unicorn sticker paper. We have this is one of the sheets, which comes with 2 sets of the days of the week, so you can stretch this out into 2 weeks. And then we have full boxes. We have 3 here. We have some headers, we have some checklists, little hearts, little kind of icons, and I just love that box. Then the second sheet is this one, which has an additional 5 full boxes, more headers, more little kind of washi little strips, and then some little icons, some flags, some deco. That's a beautiful box. And then the third little sheet as another full box with just a necklace, kind of like a layered necklace feel. And then we have 5 of the half boxes with some deco, and then 3 of the little heart checklist. Now Irene is also giving us 2 sheets of little additional stickers, and these are all made in the Aurora pink foil, which is beautiful. It's one of my favorite, and that's why I had to match it with my crystal. This is the heart icons with the foiling, and then this is the script home, the work, home, and play stickers, which are so useful, and I love that font, and you get so many of them, you can get so much use. And then we're getting the seals, which this month are just so beautiful. You can use these for gift giving. They will look, this would totally elevate any gift you give, but they're just, I love this palette. I love the soft pink, kind of like a nude color, and then more of like a rich brown. And then before I get to the washi tape, I wanted to share one of my favorite items, which is this pouch. How gorgeous is this pouch? First of all, it has this nice rich brown color. I don't know, it's deeper in real life than it is in the picture, but when you open it up, there is of course the little label that says Simply Gilded, and then it has a little pouch here which you can fit whatever you want, and this will hold your phone. You can hold a small wallet. And what is genius, I think, is that Irene added not 1 but 2 of this little kind of like what did it call? I can't remember, like guys, I can't, my brain is mush, but basically you have 2 attachments. And I'm going to be using this chain that I got from my little 1 in a million pouch, and I am just gonna attach it here and here, and of course you can attach whatever you want if you want to do that. And I'm gonna use it as a little mini crossbody little bag. And the chain does not come with a kit. This is my own chain, but if you have your own chain, you can use it, or you can just use it to carry whatever you want around. And then we're getting to the washi tape, which it comes as it started, a few like boxes away, boxes back. Irene started including them in these little plastic boxes, and this one I wanted to share with you because it has all the constellation right in the front. So it's totally, I would just totally cut this off and use that for something. Now for the washi, this is the washi that you will receive in the box. So you're getting a galaxy set. This is like the first neutral galaxy set that Irene has made, and it's just gorgeous. I love this, like, and it comes, so there's the galaxy sets, and then we have like little moon phases and then the butterflies. But let me start with the galaxy, because these colors are just, again, it's earthy tones, and I think that earth tones and all this, you know, kind of like bring us back to in touch with nature, are so you know, what we need when we're going through difficult times. And I just love, I don't know if you can see it, but the background, it's just like the sky kind of like at sunset of sunrise, when the color change and it becomes a kind of beautiful pinkish red, kind of peach color. So as always, I'm struggling to find the thing. Here we go. And this is the twilight. It's stunning. It's got little hearts, little stars. It's just so gorgeous. And then we have here the moon with the little moon stars. My goodness, the yellow gold moons. And Irene was saying this is the only second time that she's done a set with the galaxy set with the yellow gold. And then we're getting the bow, the 15 millimeter bow washi, which is in an ombre design. So they're all gonna be slightly different, but again, this is going from a darker peach to a light, very light peach. So you'll get either more color or less color. And then we're getting this little moon phase of perforated washi, which has that same aurora pink foiling. How stunning is that on a dark blue background? This is probably one of the cutest. And then if you love butterflies, because who does not love butterflies, we have this dark gray brown background with the beautiful yellow butterflies that are everywhere. This is stunning. Now, if you want to subscribe to the 5 millimeter add-on, which is an additional $6, you'll get 4 of these 5 millimeter washi tapes. So you're getting this one, which is that kind of chocolate dark gray color with the little gold bows. We're getting more of these little stars in a soft pink. Sorry, it's not focusing. And then we're getting this dark, deep dark black blue with the stars, and they're more of that gray brown with the little moons. So these are just stunning, and this is the box. And guys, if you want to subscribe, again, go to simplygilded.com, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me on Instagram at Planningfancy, or you can send an email at simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and I will be glad to answer as soon as possible. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye bye.